moment if I back up right now. All right, we're good. All right, so this video, super mega overdue. I'm sure you guys can figure out a little bit from the title, but I just want to give you a little bit of backstory real quick. So the boat for this boat build is a Lowe Big John 1448, or 1448 MT, I think is what it's like really called. All that means is it's wider than a normal John boat and it's deeper. So like from the top of the boat to the bottom is like 5 or 6 inches deeper than a normal John. So you get some more extra storage space if you build a deck. But yeah, so why is this video super overdue? Great question. Glad you asked. Well, I basically, when I bought the boat, I just started watching a ton of builds, you know, like different John boat to bass boat conversions. And I got overwhelmed and I got paralyzed with options, so I just did nothing. And now we're here, and the build waits no longer. It's just been sitting in my yard for the last like year and a half. I mean, for the first 6 months to a year, maybe even less than that. I didn't, well, no, because I bought it while I was still studying in school. I didn't have anything to pull with, so I could only use it when I could borrow other vehicles or have friends bring me. So now we got a truck, so that's good. We're all set up to be using it. Just it stinks right now. I've only used it like 6 to 8 times in the last year or so, because every time I want to use it, I have to bring the trolling motor in. I have like a little handheld one. I have to bring the graph in, and then I have to keep those in the truck. So then I get to the launch, I put them in the boat, and then I have to set it up once I'm on the water. It just makes it too much effort to just want to be like, hey, let's go fishing. It takes like an hour and a half of prep from like starting at the house to like actually being able to get a line in the water. So I want to fix that, and I want to make this, you know, this boat has a ton of potential. So the build starts now, and we're gonna get right into the first video. I'm filming this intro after. I spent the day yesterday just kind of cleaning her up. I never really cleaned it when I got it. You know, I picked out like the leaves and crap, but yesterday I went through with a pressure washer and actually blasted all the grime out. There's some pretty satisfying clips, to be honest. I think you guys will enjoy those. But yeah, I'm just gonna let the video roll. Just wanted to give you guys some quick backstory, and I hope everyone's excited as I am for this series, because I think it's gonna be an awesome build. I hope it's gonna come out great, and I don't care if it takes us all the way through winter. This thing is going to be in tip-top shape come the spring, and we're hitting spawn hard. So yeah, enjoy the first video of hopefully many on this awesome build.